Okay, I'm Lodestone. This is my second video for the all year round solar garden light, and it's how to assemble the whole battery module with the circuit which we put together in the first video. For this you need the D-cell holder as I've described it on Thingiverse. It comes out the printer looking like this. These little tabs, which you probably guessed, are to stop the corners peeling up, which they tend to. I'm printing on Kapton tape. This is ABS. I'm using a Prusa Mendel Rep Wrap, printing with a nozzle of 0.5 millimeter, 0.2 millimeter layers. The temperature of the bed is 110 degrees centigrade, which works a lot better, and the nozzle temperature I'm using for this particular material is 240 degrees centigrade. And yeah, so these snap off, clean it up with a file, and also these little supports here which stop this collapsing whilst you're printing it. These little supports here need to snip out. Don't push too hard against the back here when you remove them, because here it's very thin. I didn't want to waste too much time printing material you didn't need. Okay, so here's one I prepared earlier. You'll notice here, plus and minus, this is where a little socket goes. This, it's a 2-pin header which will go in there. There are holes either side to connect with this, and it's this kind of header which is, I get it as a socket, and pins and sockets. This is a socket, and you can just cut it into two. You can see you've got little slots there. You can just cut it to what length you like, and header, which you can just cut to what size you like. We only need 2 pins, and they just fit together quite nicely. Okay, so I've got myself some bits of tin copper again. Here, this bit of tin copper, 0.5 millimeter tin copper, is about it's 110 millimeters long. And I'm just going to take this here and make a little loop in it like this. This is to go round the pin. It's a tiny loop to go round the end of here. Okay, like that. You see that? All good. Hopefully in focus. So just wrap it around the pin like that. Just clear these out of the way for the moment. A bit of tape. And give it a solder. I would do. Technical issues. Okay. So you need the wire to come out on the side like that. You'll see why in a minute. That's the long one. I'll just do that to hold it in place for the moment. Take one of the shorter ones. Shorter one. The shorter one needs to go on top of the long one. Again, you'll see why in a minute. again, put a loop in the end. Okay, you can see the loop